Okay, today we are going to practice few exercises. For pranayama exercise, first thing we should remember that we are going to sit in Vajrasana position. Now, how to frame Vajrasana? Here is a demonstration for you. First, you will sit slowly. Okay, in a relaxed position. Then you are going to fold the right leg backwards, left leg backwards, and you have to hold your back position on the heel. This is called as Vajrasana. The whole body weight should be on your heels. Okay, with this Vajrasana, we are going to start some pranayama exercises today. Before starting pranayama exercise, let us see how the hands should place for this pranayama exercise. Your left hand should be in Jnana Mudra position. That means your thumb finger and the next finger, the tip of the finger has to be joined, and the other three fingers should be stretched properly. You should feel the pain for the whole palm. Then you will be placing it on your left knees. Again, the right hand you will be using for the pranayama exercise here. The thumb finger should be placed erect, and the next two fingers should be folded, and the remaining two fingers has to be opened. Okay, now you are placing your thumb finger on your right nostril, and the other fingers you are going to place it softly on the left nostril. Now you will be concentrating on the breathing. You will be inhaling through the right nostril slowly. Close it for a while and slowly exhale through the left nostril. Again, you will inhale through the left nostril. Slowly close. Wait for a while. Now slowly exhale through the right nostril. Same way, again from the right nostril, you will inhale the fresh air in. Close it for a while and slowly exhale from the left nostril. Again from the left, inhale, close, and exhale through right. Again, inhale, close it, and exhale through the left nostril. Now slowly come to the normal position. This particular asana is called as Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. This is also called as Nadi Shodha. Here, the main characteristic feature of this pranayama is alternate breathing through the left and right nostrils without or with retention of breath. Okay. Now, as we have explained to you, when you are inhaling through the right nostril, you have to close the left nostril. Then again block the air there. Again you will be slowly exhaling through the left nostrils. Let us practice once again. Hold your right hand for the pranayama exercise. Thumb finger up. The next two fingers fold inside, and the last two fingers you have to hold it up. Now closing the right nostril through the right thumb Place the 2 fingers on the left nostril slowly. Now you are going to concentrate on inhaling through your right nostril. Slowly inhale. Block. Wait for some time. Now release from left nostril. Slowly exhale. Same way, from the left nostril, you are going to inhale slowly. Slowly inhale. Close it. Exhale from the right nostril. Again from the right nostril. Inhale. Close it. Again slowly exhale from the left nostril. Very good. This exercise is very good for the concentration. For beginners like you, the duration of inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Gradually, you can increase the timings. You can do it initially for 5 times. Then you can do it for 10 times even. Okay? Thank you.